National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Custer County in west central Oklahoma, Washita County in west central Oklahoma, until 9:45 p.m. CDT at 8:56 p.m. CDT. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-size hail and winds to 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Clinton, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Clinton, Cordell, Arapaho, Corn, Bessie, Cloud Chief, and Cowden. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 60 and 75. Move inside the sturdy building until the storm has passed. A tornado watch remains in effect until 200 CDT Tuesday morning for west central Oklahoma.